Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. So today I want to talk about the importance of positive affirmations. You probably have seen that the internet is full of these positive affirmations, these good words that you have to repeat or listen to. And just like you guys, I also have came across this kind of content. And in the beginning I was like, this is strange. Like, I was skeptic, but thinking about it, it can be really, really useful, and it can actually be a great exercise to do every day, to gain confidence and balance as well. And what I mean by balance is that, some people, some of us, may have grew up in some dysfunctional environments or households, and we may have been told very bad words, bad things, that made us lose our confidence and made us also lose our self-esteem and all of that. And some people are living in these conditions where every day they are being verbally abused, like people, their family or their partner is telling them every day that they are bad, that they are not looking good, that they are not skillful, that they have this and this, And when you hear these kind of things every day, like 24/7, you end up believing in those words, even though they are not true, And this is why the positive affirmations can come and balance all of that, They can make you realize that, in fact, all of that was not true, and that you're really a good person, that you deserve good things. Because the thing is, when you lose your self-confidence and self-esteem, you also start thinking that you're worth nothing, You feel like you're unworthy, you feel like you don't deserve to live a happy life, and you feel like you deserve to live a life of suffering. Because the people who verbally abused you, they made you believe that this is what you deserve and that your life will never get better. So it can be very important and interesting to actually listen and repeat that kind of affirmations, because it can help you recover your power, and it can make you really realize that you're a great person, that you're beautiful. And the more you repeat it, the more you hear it, the more you will start to believe it, And I want to insist that this can be particularly useful for those who have been living in a very negative environment with people who were bringing them down all the time, punishing them for no reason, telling them they are bad, or that they are not able to do anything, So yeah, I personally like to listen to affirmations in the morning, because in the morning your mind is still empty, everything is calm, so it's great to listen to some good words, positive things about yourself. So yes, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope it will be useful. I really encourage you to try it out, because it's amazing and it can make a lot of difference in your life. So thank you so much for listening, and see you soon.